bitches.
Oh my god. Okay.
No, not that.
Hey guys, this is our first vlog, and we just decided to make a vlog just for fun, and because we're bored right now. So.
And because we're waiting on her mom to take us to Old Navy. Checo, stop.
And yeah, so remember to like, subscribe, and share us, and turn on your post notifications. Pinch Pokemon Coke.
Oh.
What? Hi guys, we're at McDonald's right now. Right, Ma? Ma, di hi! Es mis YouTubers. Di hi! Malagradecida.
¿Qué se cree este idiota? ¿El dueño del McDonald's o qué?
Yo creo.
Oh my god, you crazy, bro.
Like Jesse's over there.
Ah, ya está.
¿Qué? Sorry, because I'm healthy as fuck.
You copied me.
Shut up. You copied me.
Don't you think they're at the cashier?
What?
The headbands.
Oh, no. I already went over there and checked. There's nothing up there. Dile hola a mis suscriptores de YouTube. Where's Sunny? Oh. Oh, I see him. Hey, Ugly. Ayan pa ka. No.
No?
So there is a fight right now at the Buckle. We just came from Buckle. Checolín.
Tú sabes escogerte la ropa, ¿por qué no lo hiciste solo? Tampoco si te vas a tirar de un puente lo vas a necesitar mi ayuda.
Bro, ya, cálmense. Esta violencia nomás no. No los voy a llevar a ninguna parte con tanto rencor. We came to Hillside Village. That's where them real niggas come. That's why I'm here. Oh my god.
How are you gonna upload it in the iMovie?
Yeah.
What are you gonna
Okay, guys, so that was for today's vlog.
Fuck that hoe.
Anywho, that was for today's vlog. Join in next time. Where we'll probably be doing like makeup tutorials. Nah, but
that was loud.
shut up. Well, I'm probably gonna like in the rest of this YouTube channel, I'm probably gonna be doing like YouTube videos of makeup.
We might film our Thanksgiving when we're
Our Thanksgiving day. And yeah, so just remember to subscribe, like, and share us.
Deuces.